You ever get that spark of motivation? You tell yourself, this time I'm actually changing. You plan your new routine, you clean your desk, you even buy a notebook with a motivational quote on it. And then, 48 hours later, you're back to scrolling, eating cereal, and saying, I'll start again Monday. That's not laziness. That's psychological sabotage, coming from inside the house. Your brain isn't against growth. It just thinks growth means danger. For millions of years, sameness kept you alive. Same path, same food, same tribe. Predictable meant safe. Unpredictable meant dead. So when you say, I want to change my life, your brain hears, oh no, we're gonna die. That's when it starts gaslighting you, whispering little things like, do you really need to quit this job? Maybe you're just tired. Maybe anxiety is your personality now. And you believe it because it sounds reasonable. But that's not reason. That's fear. Wearing logic like a fake mustache. Your brain doesn't use words like comfort zone. It uses chemical traps, dopamine, cortisol, adrenaline. It mixes them like cocktails until you feel off whenever you try to change something. You think you're procrastinating, but you're actually being chemically blackmailed by your own biology. You tried journaling, habit tracking, new morning routines, and your brain's like, oh, cute experiment. Let's go back to what hurts, but feels familiar. Because to your brain, better is suspicious. If something feels too peaceful, it assumes you're missing something dangerous. That's why stability feels boring. That's why chaos feels like home. And here's the twisted part. Your brain will even rewrite your past to keep you stuck. It'll say, you've always been like this. You're not disciplined. You just lose motivation. As if you're a character in a bad rerun, and not the writer of the next episode. You are not your patterns. You're just living with a nervous system that learned survival, not happiness. It doesn't care if you thrive. It cares if you don't die while trying. So when it says, stay the same, what it really means is, please don't scare me. But here's the trick. You can't outsmart your brain. You have to retrain it. Slowly, gently, like a scared animal that's been living in the wild too long. You start by proving safety, not chasing motivation. Tiny wins, predictable peace, boring routines that whisper, see, we're okay. That's how you teach your brain that calm isn't danger, that quiet isn't failure, that progress doesn't have to feel like panic. And one day, when that familiar voice says, you can't change, you won't fight it. You'll just smile and say, yeah, I've heard that one before. Then you'll take the next step anyway. Because change isn't a battle. It's exposure therapy for your potential.